Just goes to show you how organizers keep a keen eye on the weather these days, because this March has been pretty wild. We've got more than 80 degrees today, and now we're talking about a washout for Saturday.
No.
Yeah,
It's kind of crazy. I'm tired of this wacky weather.
Up and down. I'm sure we'll see more of it throughout this month. But for this weekend, yes, we have kind of a tale of two forecasts here. So tomorrow we are going to have a line of showers and storms that will roll through Kentucky, and I'd say between mid-morning and mid-afternoon. For Louisville, it's going to be right in that sweet spot of between about 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. where we could have the strongest storms, gusty winds, heavy rainfall. Once that main line rolls through, we're just going to see some scattered shower activity off and on through the evening hours. Much drier for Sunday as clouds decrease. Temperatures will be a little bit cooler on Sunday, but still above average for this time of year, topping out at 65 degrees. Now, it is good news that, of course, we're getting a break in the rainy pattern, at least for today, because we still are dealing with river flooding in our northernmost counties here. So we're seeing this with the East Fork White River near Seymour. It made it up to major flood stage. It is starting to recede today back down to moderate flood stage, but with more rain on the way tomorrow and more rain on the way mid next week, our river levels are something that we're really going to have to monitor and continue to watch over the next several days. Max HG radar here. Of course, it's been a much quieter day. Hopefully you've been enjoying the sunshine. We do have a couple of spotty showers that are popping up near Hardinsburg, and we can't rule out a pop-up shower or thunder shower through this evening. Of course, we have the heat, we have the mugginess and the humidity, but the main event is still far off to our west and off to our north as well. So ongoing showers and thunderstorms. You can see this line from Michigan down to Oklahoma, bringing some severe weather along with it. The severe weather outlook for today, staying in the plains up to a level 3 out of 5, really just south of Omaha down to just north of Dallas. By the time the line nudges eastward tomorrow, it does take a step back, especially for us. The greatest severe weather threats really staying off to our northeast and our southwest. But here at home, we can't rule out that gusty wind threat along with heavy rainfall as well. Maybe isolated hail, but that's not really looking to be a big threat tomorrow. But because of that, the Storm Prediction Center does have us in a level 1 out of 5. So just be aware that we could have some stronger storms once again mid-morning through mid-afternoon. Let's time that out for you. Hour by hour futurecast. Record warmth today, upper 70s, lower 80s, staying warm and muggy through this evening. There's your spotty shower or thunder shower rolling in from the southwest through this evening. Most of tonight actually looks fairly dry. Temperatures only dropping into the 60s, and then the radar becomes a lot more active by about 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning. First with our northwestern counties, continuing to move our direction here in the Louisville metro by anywhere between 11 a.m. and 1 p.m. That looks to be the sweet spot there. Pushing off to the east and southeast through the rest of the afternoon, and then anything behind that main line will just be shower activity. Should become more broken. There's the line, the cold front that's going to move through tomorrow evening, pushes all that moisture down to our southeast for Sunday as clouds gradually decrease. And a reminder, we do spring forward this weekend, so we do lose an hour of sleep. That sunrise on Sunday will be at 8:04. But take a look at our new sunset Sunday evening, 7:43 p.m. Eastern time. So we'll have more of that daylight in the evening hours. 65 on Sunday should be a nice day. 74 on Monday with more sunshine. Rain moves in Monday night, takes us into Tuesday. A bit stormier by Wednesday with our next front. That will drop temperatures back down into the 50s on Thursday with overnight lows in the 40s.
All right.